Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can check your screen time activity, how much you have used your phone in a day, how minutes, which application is more used in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Watch till end. You have to go to the settings. Now you have to click on applications. Simply scroll down and you will see there is screen time. So you will see today I have used this phone for 2 minutes. You have to click on that. You can see Wednesday, Thursday. You can check previous days data also, like Spotify 3 minutes, and you can see this is Friday data, settings 2 minute. You can check screen time, notification details, and how many times you have opened your phone. So that's how you can check it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.